Okay, should I do like a light one? I feel it's got pretty heated.
Yeah.
It's very chill.
Yeah, sure.
We'll find a way. We'll find a way.
We'll keep it light.
Let's keep
Best
it chill.
time-
Yeah.
We'll keep
Best
it
time to take bath is morning or before sleeping. Night time.
Oh.
Morning, why?
Not you can't say both. Which you have to choose.
I
one.
think
Morning.
firstly, please take bath is my.
Yeah, that is acceptable.
Yeah, all on
Please
bath.
take bath.
That is
All
acceptable.
are
That
all
is-
part of
yes.
the bath party, not
Morning,
not the
night,
Saddam
anything.
Hussein one.
Bath.
Morning bath versus
Relative
night
says
bath.
take bath, don't fight back. Just bath. One, please listen to me. Yes, thank you. Pro bath. Ma'am, you all have any
These
feelings?
people are
Because the
debating.
room works according to y'all. Fuck these guys. You all tell me that. Catch up this. तुम लोग को जो feel हो रहा है, हाँ हमें भी यही feel हो
Why
रहा
is my hygiene your business?
है. Man, hurt. No, they are hurt. Oh, then we are also hurt. It's like that.
Bath people, bathe people. That's what I want to say.
Point to Shaman. I don't know.
Bath people, wet people.
Wet people.
Wet people, bath
Okay, enough.
Wet people,
Guys,
wet
I
people.
think the audience has cracked the topic.
I think
Night time? Why night time? Some
Why
strong.
would you go with your dirty beds to bed?
Fair. But why would you start your day dirty?
Yeah. You want to wake up dirty? Wow.
But
I'm fresh and dirty tonight.
you start the day.
Wow.
No, you start the day, then you go meet
That's
relatives.
true.
चलता है ना?
Sorry?
Clean because you took a bath at night.
So you're saying the night 8 hours doesn't count?
no. But how are you? What are you doing overnight that you're dirty in the bed?
I'm sorry. I have a pretty active night life.
Yeah. Just because.
I'm sorry. You think children just appear out of nowhere? Huh?
Is it every night though? No.
Unfortunately.
Oh yes, every night, man. Come on.
We're struggling to not have children.
Some days he's playing PS5 also.
Okay, Kenny. I've decided. Morning sex. Sorry. What's the topic? What's the topic? Am I confused about the topic?
Children are watching this show.
Then you have to have a bath right after that only. सुबह को ही करना पड़ेगा. But she's right. दुनिया भर का कचरा आप लेके
Yes.
जाओगे घर पे और
Yes.
उसमें सोएंगे आप.
Wait. Which team is which
I'm
team?
night. I'm team night.
I am team night also.
Night?
Team
Morning,
night.
Then we are
morning.
by
Oh,
default morning.
wow, Srija.
Whoa. Man, Srija, thank you, dude. Welcome back.
Some great
Welcome
work,
back,
Kenneth.
brother.
Wow.
Good point.
Let nobody accuse us anymore.
Yeah, amazing. They've
I'm choosing in a way where I don't have to get up. only.
Yeah, dude.
They're like.
Night.
This is team morning bath. This is team night time. Shoji, you're saying that
दुनिया भर का कचरा आप लेके जा रहे हो और उसमें आप सो रहे हो. You're cuddling the dirt.
that's true. Like Prachi
Yeah.
said.
Guys, मैं बोलूँगा
गंदा!
फिजिकल कचरा तो है पर जब तुम रात को सोते हो ना तो मेंटल कचरा हो जाता है तो तुम सुबह जब शावर लोगे मेंटली यू बिकम फ्रेश फिजिकल यस थैंक यू माय गॉड
I agree with your point, but
Sir.
morning.
Mental ये गंदगी से डिजीज नहीं होता है.
If you
Physical disease.
Are you saying mental health is not a disease?
Jose, walk right into it, people.
Oh my god!
Walk right into it.
Oh no!
There's no such thing as depression.
Kenny मेरी
Can I
तरफ
just
से
say
10 पॉइंट
one
सौरभ
second?
के लिए.
Yeah.
this thing you said about
Shit.
mentally you feel
Well played.
down in the morning.
Yes, please
You know
play
why
this
it
point.
happens? Because you didn't bathe at night. You bathe at night. You wake up fresh as a daisy. Bed sheets are
Thank
smelling
you, sir.
beautiful.
Back with a banger.
Good save.
Bed sheet is smelling lovely, depending on whatever Lifebuoy or higher, depending on your net worth. And
Shame है.
Sheeta कुछ बोलना
Shame,
चाहेंगे.
मैं ashamed हूँ actually.
She's ashamed.
मुझे तो
Yeah. Would you rather be
आ रही है
sad
मुझे.
or would you rather have scabies?
What is
What's
scabies?
scabies, dude?
scabies. It's like
Thank you,
scary,
doctor.
scary babies.
Cherry babies?
Short form.
Also,
She's
It's like a baby on Halloween. It's called a
It's-
scaby.
It's actually proven scientifically that you need to take baths before
don't get science in this, bhai. No, man. How can you get science in this debate?
Wow!
dude?
Don't get science into this, he says.
I don't know.
इसको बस काट दो please.
Yeah, dude. Science.
इसको एक दे दो.
मैम ये डिबेट में क्या साइंस लग रहा है
Please continue.
So because it kind of releases the toxins out of your body and you get a better sleep. Also तुम सुबह नहा के वापस से कचरे में ही जाने वाले हो.
Exactly.
Don't speak about our work like that. Okay?
Yeah, don't call my relationship that.
हम लोग तो घर में ही रहते हैं भाई.
कचरे के वापस my goddamn wife.
और एक सेकंड मैम ये सब मत बोलो. They just got this place renovated.
Also, every mention of Mumbai, Panvel, just put Paris. Okay, in the edit, just say Paris.
It is also.
Louvre लग जाएंगे.
It is also.
I'm sorry, Shrija was trying to say a point starting with shame or something.
Please let my teammates speak. Yes.
Thank you. It is shameful. Firstly, secondly, I want to say.
What is shameful? What
You are
You can't
shameful.
just
You
say
look
it is
within.
shameful.
You look within. You will
You are
find what is shameful
You can't-
there.
Sorry, you can't start.
First.
It is shameful. We don't know what you're talking
Secondly,
about.
it is also scientifically proven कि आप बिना नहाए अगर बाहर जाते हो तो आप तो ठीक रहोगे बट आप लोगों से कट ऑफ हो जाओगे.
Ma'am, science,
कोई आपको
listen to
पसंद नहीं
that.
करेगा.
Wow.
आप बदबू मारोगे.
Sorry, क्यों?
कोई क्योंकि एक एक
You bathe
एक
right at
सोशल
night.
डेकोरम होता है. ठीक है.
Social
ये
मतलब
सोशल
है.
ये सारे पॉइंट्स जो है ना इस तरफ से बहुत सेल्फिश है. बहुत सेल्फिश
I've
है
noticed,
ये
I've
लोग.
noticed.
मैम आप बोल रहे हैं कि ये साइंटिफिकली प्रूवन दैट लोग कट ऑफ हो जाते हैं if they don't
हाँ
shower.
अगर आप नहाओ ना.
This is anecdotal evidence, but I haven't showered in 4 days. So sorry about that. Sorry.
Relentless.
Can you extra?
But that is, you are right now presentable and he is able to sit next to you only because you have applied the stage by Kenny, his new scent.
I mean,
Strong kill. Wow. This debate's so over, my God.
100 points.
Oh, dude.
100 points.
Kenny, I'm sorry,
so
but
good.
Kenny, you know which perfume I'm wearing right now?
Mic check?
क्या इंटीग्रेशन
it's
था
Park
यार?
Avenue.
And minus.
No, it's a mic check by
mic check.
Kenny.
Thank you.
I mean,
Actually,
if you're a real fan, you would wear the perfume right now.
Actually,
You know?
sweetly, all these guys have worn the perfume today.
Yeah, Srija's just talking about it.
Jose had to because he hasn't bathed in 4 days. But
I thought it was mouth freshener to start off.
He's like, before the mic.
मुझे
that's why the kiss was so acidic.
Yeah.
Very acidic.
मुझे तो पेपर स्प्रे लगा मैंने शामी की आंखों पे डाल दिया.
I have that's why I have the most beautiful smelling eyes in the world. Huh? How about some
My
mics?
God, you guys.
Wow.
He's like, hey, your eyes
Oh
smell
my
so
God.
lovely
I'm a little
today.
scared, bro.
I'm like, thanks, I can't see.
Coming back to the topic.
Every time Kenny says no personal attack and Shija comes out with the most
Oh
bang.
shit, sorry यार. Sorry,
like a
nothing
tiger.
personal हाँ.
यही
शामिल.
आता है
Yeah,
तेरे को,
yeah.
यही आता है. चलेगा.
Okay.
It's shameful. I just want to say it's shameful.
Okay, the topic was morning bath.
मॉर्निंग बाथ
And
आई
night
थिंक
bath.
बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होता है क्योंकि ना क्या होता है एक तो अभी ये माँ कार्ड ले लीजिए. माँ कार्ड ले लीजिए.
Mark, coming up, emotional point coming up.
So she doesn't have to say anything, right?
She has to
Technically,
say it, she has to say
just give the point. We don't want to hear this. Sorry,
Wild. That's damn good.
मैं इसको साले ना बुलाऊं.
You
ये
should.
सब
At this
ऐसे बात
point,
कर रही है.
at this
कर रहा है
point you
मुझ
should.
पे.
I'm impressed with both of it. The sassiness is next level. My shoulders are giving away. That's how much sassiness. Give her the point. We don't listen. Please, Shija, I'm sorry
Sorry,
for you were
continue,
rudely
Shija.
interrupted.
देखिए बात सिर्फ एक डिजीज वगैरह के लिए तो होती ही है बट एक सेंटरिंग के लिए भी होती है और एक एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ होती है नहाना. और अब ये देखिए ऐसे जो लड़के होते हैं ये गंदे टाइप के ये तो चाहते ही है कि देखिए मॉर्निंग में आप बात करेंगे ना पीपल विल नो कि आपने बात की है बट आप नाइट बात बोलो आप लोगों को बोल दो हाँ मैं तो रात में नहा लिया. देयर इज नो वे ऑफ वेरीफाइंग.
Who said?
There is no way of verifying.
I'm sorry.
Because you are alone, right, at night.
Not everybody.
Okay, what is happening? Okay.
My dog is there with me.
Adding to Srija's emotional points, I
Yes.
would like to add some practical points. देखो, we live in Mumbai. Okay, सुबह सुबह पानी है नहा लो भाई. ठीक है, तुम रात को आओगे
Yeah.
पानी नहीं है तुम नहा
Yes.
नहीं पाओगे. ठीक
But
है.
we are
By
Yeah,
the
we're
way,
talking from a
एक second.
privileged lens.
Yes, see, मैं आप चाहे जब भी नहाए आप
Some
चाहे
people only get water at night, so they should not bathe at night. You're saying?
they can bathe at night.
That's
But
another
listen,
privileged
those-
lens.
Yeah.
That is different. See, मैं
This
कह
guy
रही हूँ.
from doesn't know anything about Panvel and just
nothing.
keeps criticizing us all the time, bhai.
I didn't even bring up Panvel.
Oh my God. भूल से क्या लूवरे बोल दिया ये खुद
I
लूवरे बन गया
love
भाई.
Panvel. I love
What's
Panvel.
amazing is both of you are insulting Panvel.
Dude,
Yeah.
I love Panvel. I thought.
Because water comes all the time.
ठीक है आप
Sorry, I only came here because I thought it's a Panvel show. I didn't know it's panel show. That's how much I love
Ah,
Panvel.
I thought it was a panel, not a Panvel show.
I tried, guys. I tried. There's a typo.
Did you
There's a
guys?
typo.
Did you guys just?
If you caught it, I
You
know
guys-
by your reaction.
Oh, Shamik's joke is I thought this was a Panvel show, not a panel show.
There was a typo in your message, Kenny. That's what I'm saying. And
आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि आपको जब नहाना है आप नहाइए, आपको कोई नहीं रोक सकता.
वही बोल रहे हैं आप.
ये बात सही.
बट आप एक बार अपनी माँ के बारे में जरूर सोचिएगा. उन्होंने ये सिखाया, वो खुश होएंगी कि ये बिना नहाए धोए सुबह निकल गया, मेरा ऑफस्प्रिंग मेरी फैमिली को रिप्रेजेंट करने गंदा घूम रहा है बाहर.
एक तो
मेरी माँ तो हो गई.
Firstly,
She would not allow me.
Sorry, don't accuse me of leaving anywhere in the morning. I'm at home only. So this whole thing was out of the window.
There are so many implications.
Don't make assumptions.
और एक सेकंड, रात को हम लोग नहाते हैं, सुबह गंदे कैसे हो जाते हैं? वे स्लीपिंग इन आवर ओन बेडिंग. तुम लोग कहाँ पे सोते
तुम
हैं?
लोग क्या कर रहे हो?
हाँ,
भाई?
रास्ते पे सोते हैं.
तो नहा के
सोते हो?
Sorry, I think they're
One
not
second, some of
understanding.
us do sleepwalking. Think about us also.
क्या ये
Go to other
minor
places.
Getting his steps in.
Yeah.
Okay, for them we'll allow the sleepwalkers. Let's not part of the
This
argument.
again, just condescending.
ले लो, तुम नहा लो. तुम नहाओ, कभी
कोई
भी
बात
नहाओ तुम. Afternoon में नहाओ sleepwalkers, no problem.
Somebody is maintaining such strong eye contact with me. I get pressured.
Sorry.
He's like, huh, Kenny, I made a great point.
This is the confidence I've got from the stage by Kenny.
I think that's a well-earned point. Both of you well-earned. Okay, I wanna. It's great. You guys have any closing arguments? Should I close this topic? Yes.
I just I just want to say in general for the audience, तुम रात को नहाओ या सुबह नहाओ, दोनों जैसे मत बनो. Clearly it doesn't help. Okay, this is my mark card.
दोपहर में
Oh,
नहाइए.
thank. He played it
I'm
just
like,
in time.
Yes, I'm just like it's emo enough. I just want to tell the audience that clearly night bathing
Night wash.
and morning washing, bathing not helping. That's all.
Just be yourself, guys. Be yourself. Be who you want to be. No
I
one
feel-
can
मिल
stop
गया
you,
point
I'm
guys.
sorry, but is this a debate show or not? Suddenly,
It is a debate show. It's a debate show. Sorry, I was shuffling my cards.
Oh.
she took advantage of that.
She didn't take advantage. She just said something. Okay. Please, jury, ignore the last statement that she just said. I was
I
shuffling my
can
cards.
say it again.
No, don't say it again. You said something. Believe in yourself or something.
Yeah,
Okay.
that too.
Okay.
Hey, wait, all this is with or without sabun? Sabun के साथ.
I can't believe people are going over that.
It's the relative family. Okay, cool. Guys,
With some.
audience voting time. Do we go with a morning bath team? Morning bath. Which is morning bath team? Your morning bath.
Okay.
Round of applause.
One well
Mannered.
nice from a nice house.
Wow.
Yeah,
Oh
we have-
sorry, नहीं. I didn't mean that, guys.
Sorry.
I didn't mean that.
We have one more round. We have one more round.
सुना तुम लोगों ने?
नहीं.
We have one
तुम
more
लोगों
round.
के फैमिली के बारे में क्या बोल रही है?
Sorry.
Ignore the attack.
Hurt people,
Srijana.
hurt people.
Ignore, please. What did he say?
Hurt people. Hurt people. Without eye contact, you got that.
Thank you so much. My powers are increasing.
Okay, and team evening bath, night bath.
You are all also from nice houses. Remember that. Always.
Not as
By the way,
clean but nice.